Hi there, I'm Angela, sport therapist. Today I'm going to take you through prone tabletop quad extensions. Barefooted in a dojo or with trainers on if you're out. Come into the tabletop position with your bum quite high and your hands further ahead than your shoulder position. So you're pushing your fingertips forwards and you're pushing your body downwards back to your feet. Core engaged, bum high, 1 foot off the floor. So I'm loading the right knee. Phase 1, stable, eccentrically contract your knee close to the floor, loading your quad. Again, I'm still pushing my fingertips that way, pushing towards my toes, creating load over my core, my distal quad. Working acute position, focusing back forward, and my knee is now working extremely hard, like I feel it shaking. Phase 2 development, working through your MCL, your LCL, your ACL, and your vastuses, lateralis and medius, is rocking over slightly to the side and allowing a little bit of varus and valgus flexion. Load the lateral, load the medial, loading the lateral, acute, and straighten up, going through the position. Very strict, tough, slow exercise. Every repetition counts. Next development is having your hands closer to you, more under your chest, so your body weight lies over the top. So you're actually pulling your palms down this way to your feet. So you're pulling it in together through your core. Relies a little bit more strength in your upper body, and your hamstring and your calf will be extra engaged, whilst your knee and your quadricep is being loaded. Up into that tabletop position, distribute yourself over. I can now feel my core is pulling in, eccentrically, loading to the floor, pulling in, still pulling my hands down, pulling out. I've got the option to rock over for the medialis, to the lateralis, extend and down, and pop it up. Take your time and recover.